Thank you so much for participating enthusiastically in this 6-part video series of Indian Design League, wherein we help aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become a high performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging, and promoting their products and services online so that they can live the lifestyle that they always wanted to live and achieve financial freedom. See, you just made so much progress by registering, clicking and actually being here. हम में से कई सारे लोग अपने कंफर्ट जोन में अटके पड़े हैं। खुद से हम झूठ बोलते हैं that हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है to start something new, or we don't really know the path to success in this challenging times of pandemic, COVID-19 and economic crisis. So many of us are just watching our lives pass us by. लेकिन आपने अपनी लाइफ अपने गोल्स के लिए ली है कंप्लीट ओनरशिप, accountability and responsibility. You have decided to get into the driver's seat. You have decided to take a step forward in your growth, and we just want you to own that. We want you to congratulate yourself and recognize what a huge step forward you made. ये congratulation इसलिए भी जरूरी है क्योंकि बहुत आसान होता है for us today to forget that we are learning, that we are growing and that we are making progress. And this is exactly that. आप अपनी growth के लिए committed हैं, अपने career development के लिए committed हैं, and most importantly, you have committed to self-love by showing yourself that this is important. जब भी आप किसी नई चीज की शुरुआत करते हैं तो काफी सारे फोर्सेस होती हैं जो आपको अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में पुल करते हैं. There's the stuff you could do, the stuff you want to do, and the stuff you have to do. The stuff you have to do is where you should begin. Start at the focal point. For example, if you're opening a food truck, you could worry about the truck, the name, the decoration. But the first thing you should worry about is the food. The food is the focal point. Everything else is secondary. बस उस focal point को ढूंढना जरूरी है. Ask yourself this question. If I took this away, would what I am selling still exist? A food truck isn't a food truck without the food. You can take away the substance such as salt, mustard or pickle that is used to add flavor to food. कुछ लोगों को आपका ये फूड पसंद ना आए शायद, लेकिन फिर भी आपके पास फूड तो होगा ना. But you simply cannot have a food truck without any food. So figure out your focal point. Which part of your equation cannot be removed? If you can continue to get by without this thing or that thing, then those things aren't the focal point. When you find it, you will know it. तब अपनी सारी एनर्जी को फोकस करिए ताकि आप उसे बेस्ट कर सके, क्योंकि everything else you do depends on that foundation. If this is how experts think, we are often asked then what is that they do? What do they excel at? And what do they consistently practice? कुछ साल पहले अमित, the founder and chairman of Indian Design League, ने एक 7 दिन का स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया था. प्रोग्राम का नाम था Train the Trainer Program in a prominent city of Gujarat, and it was the second last of the completion of the workshop training. And there was this another co-learner and participant by name Gopal. नागपुर के बाद सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ विदर्भ रीजन ऑफ महाराष्ट्र अमरावती से थे गोपाल, एंड ही वांटेड टू स्टार्ट हिज ओन ट्रेनिंग सर्विसेज एंड एकेडमी देयर, और इसीलिए वो ट्रेनिंग लेना चाहते थे on how he can become a highly effective and empowering trainer and life coach. So there was this one documentary that the trainer showed us during the workshop, and it was about this trainers academy and firm. गोपाल काफी इम्प्रेस थे इस डॉक्यूमेंट्री से. उन्होंने ट्रेनर से रिक्वेस्ट किया to guide him as to how he can as well make a documentary for his own training organization. Amit expected the trainer to share a framework or a process, but surprisingly ट्रेनर ने कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन दी ही नहीं. He advised that Gopal should go to Mumbai, hire one content writer, ask the content writer to get some content ready for his documentary, go to Mumbai, hire a studio and get the documentary shot and completed. How can he help him more than this? He simply can't. As an educationalist and entrepreneur himself, Amit thought अगर participant गोपाल को पता होता how to create a documentary himself, वो खुद ये 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग अटेंड नहीं करता. अमित ना सिर्फ सरप्राइज थे, but to be honest disappointed भी with the ignorance and the answer of the trainer, and on the look of the face of Gopal, so did he seem to be disappointed and in despair. Amit got up and left the seminar thinking the art of pitching is going to be the dominant communication mode for experts and entrepreneurs in the future. But as of creating this video on the art of pitching, बहुत सारे experts अभी भी marketing, selling और client को serve करने के लिए कोई communication का effective mode use नहीं कर रहे, even though it has proved to be more comprehensive and lucrative for the industry. क्यों? ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि few experts look to the horizon of our industry and ask what new skills will they need to develop to stay relevant, connected and effective. जहां तक the art of pitching को समझने की बात है, कई experts को लगता है कि yes, understanding how to influence the other person to buy into his idea or product or service offering is critical for his business. But he can simply hire a consultant and get his business started and rolling. With due respect to all consultants and their profession, our only question to them would be, if a consultant knew how to start, run and grow a business successfully and profitably, won't he have done it already for himself? वो job क्यों करेगा? Think about it. Ideal के साथ the art of pitching की approach different है, क्योंकि Ideal को पता है कि experts और entrepreneurs को art of pitching और marketing, selling, delivering के 8 critical components को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. It will be important for your long-term success in the industry. Learning the art of pitching thoroughly and from the heart ही वो मंत्र है जिससे income कमाना और impact create करना possible है. And no, you don't have to communicate precisely, proper or sound like a scammy info marketer either. Look, you are on the planet for a reason. Your creativity matters. And being able to influence the other person is one of the most important skills you can learn. Especially तब जब आप अपने ideas, services और creations share करना चाहते हैं with the world. To gain competency and confidence, we need to get training, get practice and put our energy on where our heart wants to be. Do the work and you will become a faster, better influencer, guaranteed. Best part ये है कि आपको खुद ये सब figure out करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And you can influence the other person in a way that's powerful, persuasive and 100% you. यहाँ impress करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपको समझना पड़ेगा the importance of identifying the focal point, the skill set that will be key to your long-term success and to help you consistently and diligently develop that skill set. The art of pitching and influencing our clients and students हमारे और आपके फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत जरूरी है और इसीलिए इसको मास्टर करना भी. We have applied the same dedication to other skill areas that are important to our and our students' long-term success. Heed our words. अगर आपके long-term success के लिए कुछ important है, don't outsource it, master it. Your success is powered by your skill sets. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हर किसी को इन्फ्लुएंसिंग और परसुएडिंग स्किल्स पर काम करना चाहिए. Specifically, the art of pitching, speaking and persuasion. लिस्ट लंबी लगती है दोस्तों, लेकिन हमें इन एरियाज में स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफिशिएंसी हासिल करनी पड़ेगी. In this video, with the art of pitching, you will be able to hone your influencing skills and sell anything. इस नॉलेज से आप अपने स्किल्स बिल्ड कर पाएंगे by taking action, struggling through, figuring it out, asking lots of questions and persisting. You suddenly have a mastery. और हाँ, अगर इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपके पास कुछ डाउट्स हैं, just send us an email on support@indiandesignleague.com and we'll be happy to help. We can't wait to help you share your creativity with the world. First component, the art of pitching, style statement. अगर आप अपनी कोई वीडियो डॉक्यूमेंट्री क्रिएट कर रहे हो या फिर अपनी वेबसाइट प्लान कर रहे हो, मे बी योर सेल्स प्रेजेंटेशन और योर कॉर्पोरेट प्रेजेंटेशन, जिसके दम पर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली या फिर इन्वेस्टर्स को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर प्लान एंड आइडिया. Or as you are creating your value videos to add massive value in the life of your prospects and customers, or as you are doing your marketing, what are your marketing messages and the content behind much of this stuff? At a conceptual level, what are the messages in every single marketing message? There's 8 components that we want to share with you now. बात होगी मार्केटिंग मैसेज के 8 components की. What do you always see in a marketing message? You are going to do a marketing presentation as an example, or you are going to do a long sales letter. You are marketing something for sale. What are the 8 components that go into every single sale? इससे ना सिर्फ आपको हेल्प मिलेगी टू क्राफ्ट योर सेल्स प्रेजेंटेशन या फिर वैल्यू वीडियोस और प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज, बल्कि इससे आप अपनी सेल्स पिच भी क्राफ्ट कर सकते हैं. इससे आप अपने ईमेल्स तैयार कर सकते हैं जो कि आपको मार्केटिंग में हेल्प करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर द 8 बेसिक्स यू गॉट टू गेट इट. Ideal is going to teach you these 8 components of marketing, selling and delivering mastery, और फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे what we call marketing mindset. बेस्ट मार्केटिंग मैसेज का सबसे पहला कंपोनेंट है जो इनफैक्ट लोग भूल भी जाते हैं, वो है स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट, द एलिवेटर पिच. व्हाट इज योर थिंग? व्हाट्स योर क्लेम टू फेम यू माइट थिंक? स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट माइट बी हियर्स हु आई एम एंड व्हाट आई डू. हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी इसके बारे में बात की थी. अ फ्रेमवर्क दैट वर्क्स वंडर्स. Do check out that video too. I helped X to understand Y, so that Z, that's a style statement, right? It's telling the user what they are going to get. One of our brilliant students' style statement is, "Hi, I'm Harshada, a professional fashion designer, and I help teenagers and youth to feel good about themselves with the help of power dressing and styling, so that they can face the world confidently and look fashionable." Another one, "Hi, I am Amit, founder and chairman of Indian Design League, wherein we help fashion designers, interior designers, event managers, and aspiring entrepreneurs and experts to understand how they can become a high-performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging, and promoting their products and services online, so that they can live the lifestyle that they always wanted to live." A style statement can be something you have accomplished, followed by how can you help them. It's the style statement about what your product offering or about what your service can do for your client and customer. Maybe it's tied to finances, maybe it's tied to just life change, but your goal is to make a big, bold claim that makes them go wow. एग्जाम्पल देखना है? आइडियल को ही देख लीजिए. आपको हमारे सारे वीडियोस में ये फ्रेमवर्क मिलेगा, कुछ अलग अलग तरीके से या फिर कुछ सेम तरीके से, जहां हम कहते हैं we are Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works, so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. ये स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है. हमेशा अपने मार्केटिंग मैसेज की शुरुआत इस स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट से करिए. Make it bold, make it strong, make it based on what you achieved and what your audience wants to achieve or can achieve. That's the style statement. Second component of the art of pitching, problems. The second component of art of pitching is describing the problems. अगर आप sales presentation में हैं, you might share your big style statement. Then you talk about the common problems and challenges that your viewer or your potential customer, your prospects, has been accomplishing it. The problems, the challenges that they have to accomplish. ये इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि इसके बिना कोई भी सॉल्यूशंस के लिए एक्साइटेड नहीं होगा. कई लोग मानते हैं मार्केटिंग कम्स डाउन टू टू थिंग्स. व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन. चैलेंज में आप बात कर सकते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स की, जैसे when we are marketing our Indian Design League program, we talk about, well, here's how hard it is to become an expert and start your own brand and business. What should you be doing in your personal career and business to reach and impact more people? How do you build your career and brand in these challenging times? How do you earn more, serve more, inspire more? क्या आप अपने ड्रीम्स को गोल में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट? डू यू हैव अ ब्रिलियंट आइडिया बट यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट? As an expert, you want to learn how to create, sell and serve online. You need to figure out what to put on the website and how to create a website that sells. How to create your unique products and service offering to serve people, to build your following, to build your sales, to build your business and to build your career. हम उन चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं जो आप सीखने वाले हैं. And you are obviously must as the challenges, the obstacles, the problems you must overcome to succeed. That's what we need to cover in all our presentations and pitches. That's what makes for an impactful and highly effective pitch. What we here at Indian Design League call as the art of pitching. हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं 8 मस्ट हैव कंपोनेंट्स जो कि आपके मार्केटिंग, सेल्स और डिलीवरी मास्टरी के लिए जरूरी हैं. आप ऑर्डर चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. चैलेंज वो नहीं है. चैलेंज ये है कि ज्यादातर टाइम एक्सपर्ट के कैंपेन्स में कुछ कमी रहती है. दे आर मिसिंग अ गुड डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स देयर ऑडियंस आर गोइंग टू हैव टू अकम्प्लिश व्हाटएवर दे आर ट्राइंग टू अकम्प्लिश. Your problems should be very focused and very intelligently placed as you are doing your marketing. What are the problems your customers are facing in life? How much are those problems costing them? What is preventing them from moving ahead? क्या होगा अगर वो प्रॉब्लम्स रिजॉल्व नहीं हुए तो? ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जिन्हें आपको एड्रेस करना चाहिए टू क्रिएट अ रैपो विद योर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स. Show them that you understand their world and their problems. Draw attention to how bad it really is and how bad it will continue getting if something doesn't change immediately. The art of pitching actually में एक perfect combination है art और science का, of illuminating other people's problem and inspiring them to commit to your solution. As cold and horrible as that might sound, it's true. Great promotions always make you realize that there's something missing in your life and that you can have and should have more. Your job as a marketer of your message is to show people the need for what you are selling. उनके challenges पर थोड़े flashlight चमकाओ और फिर बताओ उन challenges को overcome करने के लिए किसकी जरूरत है. But you must never portray yourself as someone who has never had to face those challenges yourself, which is why we need the next element. Third component of art of pitching, commonality. The third piece that you want to have as a marketer is commonality. This is about commonality that we all have in accomplishing whatever we are going after. Commonality वो ही एक जरिया है जिसके दम पर you paint a picture of who you are, how I am just like you, how you are just like your customers. Ideal के भी प्रोग्राम्स में आपको हम अपनी स्ट्रगल्स की कहानी बताते हैं, मेंटोर्स की स्टोरी ऑफ स्ट्रगल बताते हैं. This is about how you share how you have been on a common path with those you are seeking to impact and serve. I know ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है. I struggled with that just like you are struggling and I figured out a way through. I broke through but I am just like you. Founder and chairman of Indian Design League, अमित ने भी तो ऐसे ही शुरुआत की थी. हर कदम पर challenges face किए. इकोनॉमिक सपोर्ट भी नहीं था. He often says, if you haven't been through it, they won't listen to it. ये एक सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है जो हमें ये याद दिलाते हैं कि लोग उनकी ही सुनते हैं जो उनके जैसे ही थे, लेकिन आज एक्सपर्ट्स हैं. सबसे कॉमन गलती जो न्यू एक्सपर्ट्स करते हैं वो ये है कि 100% परफेक्ट इन देयर मार्केटिंग मैसेज. इट साउंड्स टू परफेक्ट and too successful to be believable. They forget what the great educator Booker T. Washington once said. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life, as by the obstacles which he has overcome. लोग आपकी स्ट्रगल से ज्यादा रिलेट करेंगे ना कि आपकी सक्सेस से. तो तरकीब यही है कि वो चैलेंजेस शेयर करो जो आपके प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स भी फेस कर रहे होंगे और उन्हें बताओ कि आपने भी ये फेस किया है ऑन योर पाथ टू सक्सेस. Also, share how you and the prospects have a common and successful future. Say something like, I understand where you are. I have been there. We are in this together and I am here to help you. We are going places, you and me. Your common story and journey to overcome challenges create a remarkable, powerful rapport. आपको शेयर करना पड़ेगा कि आप उनके जैसे कैसे हैं, क्योंकि ये जरूरी है. It's really important people miss this all the time. If you just go there and say, make some big claim and say you are going to overcome all these challenges and problems, but if you don't talk about yourself on a human level about how you have struggled too, ये बताना कि आपने भी स्ट्रगल किया है जरूरी है. All the top experts hinge their entire career on making themselves have commonality with their audience on building rapport. You need to do that on your marketing messages as well. एक बार अगर prospect से वो rapport build हो गई, तो आता है next step to show why you are the person to help them get ahead. Fourth component of the art of pitching, credibility. The fourth key component in the art of pitching is, of course, your need to display credibility. Why you are credible enough so that your clients and customers should listen to you or buy from you. आप credibility तब create करते हैं जब आप reasons share करते हैं. Why you are qualified to help your customers overcome their challenges and improve their life results or situation. This is not a time to brag about every little thing you have done in your life, nor is it the place to brag about your resumes or riches. This is where you say, in effect, I have traveled the road you are on today. I have already reached the destination and I'm here to shorten your learning curve and your path to success. I have done it and I have helped others to do it. And here's the proof. Next, you show proof that you are credible by highlighting your accomplishments as well as the achievement of others who have succeeded because of your advice or solution. जैसे हम एज एन अकेडमी बात करते हैं उन 14,000 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स की जो कि इंडस्ट्री में सक्सेसफुली प्लेस्ड हैं एंड ग्रोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. We speak about our technical collaboration with City of Oxford College, UK, offering students an international diploma by studying online right here in India. We boast about our technical collaborations with Savitribai Phule, Pune University and Yashwantrao Chauhan, Maharashtra Mukta Vidyapeeth, offering degree programs to our students from these reputed universities which are recognized by University Grants Commission. Our institutional affiliations with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants ACCA, UK and National Stock Exchange NSE. Then we also share about we being an authorized trainer partner for Autodesk, an American international software corporation. And last but not the least, we also speak about how we won numerous prestigious national and international awards. As we all know, good work never goes out of sight. A lot of media, both print and TV, have also covered about us till date. कुछ ऐसे ही हम अपने रिजल्ट्स और अचीवमेंट्स शेयर करते हैं और आपको बताते हैं why we are credible and why you should listen to us. Here in this fourth component of the art of pitching, which is the credibility part. Here's me and my students' result. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपके और हमारे रिजल्ट्स में डिफरेंस हो, but that's not what's important. Many of our students ask us, what if we are just starting and don't have enough credibility yet to speak about ourselves? What do we do then? ऐसे में आइडियल की एडवाइस यही होगी कि अगर आप अभी रिजल्ट एक्सपर्ट नहीं हैं, तब भी आप रिसर्च एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं and still establish credibility. This is very important for you to understand. Please allow us to explain to you this concept in next few minutes, and you will be thankful to us for life for sharing this valuable piece of advice with you. आपने नेपोलियन हिल की फेमस बुक थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच पढ़ी है? अगर नहीं तो प्लीज यू मस्ट, क्योंकि ये आपको आने वाले वीडियोस में पता चल जाएगा. जस्ट फॉर नाउ रिमेंबर, रिसर्च करना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि यही रिसर्च आपके रिजल्ट्स में काफी हेल्प करेगी. आपको रिसर्च एक्सपर्ट बनना पड़ेगा. हाउ डू यू डू दैट? चूज अ टॉपिक दैट पीपल फाइंड वैल्यूएबल. Research it, interview others on it, synthesize what you learn and then offer your findings for sale so others can learn and improve their lives. When you understand this point, a whole world of options open up for you. With enough research, you can become an expert on any topic in the world and gain credibility. We find that idea free because you can actually choose what topic you want to help others with and then go out and master it. Second, never forget that experts are students first and that you can go research any topic and become an expert in that area starting now. Our founder and chairman Amit learned the value of this point by accident. While he was running his training academy, his little sister, whom he adored with all his heart, was having relationship trouble. She has been engaged and her relationship with her fiancé started falling apart. Because she and him are so close, she came to him for advice. This would seem silly given that Amit was not a marriage counselor or a relationship expert, at least not at the level of being called a relationship coach. There's a hidden message here. People ask those they trust for advice. Amit certainly was not a relationship expert, but he desperately wanted to help his little sister. So what did he do? उन्होंने वो ही किया जो वो हमेशा करते हैं जब कोई उनसे हेल्प मांगता है. He became a researcher. He can vividly recall the day his little sister asked him for help and how horribly bumbling he was in giving her any decent advice. Frustration में वो book store गए and he spent 6 hours reading everything he could on relationships. He left the store with a legal pad full of notes and over a dozen of books on the topic. पूरा week उन्होंने research की, synthesizing everything he learned. The next time his sister asked for advice, boy, did she get an earful. फिर कुछ interesting हुआ. Like buying a red car and then suddenly seeing red cars everywhere, he started hearing everyone talk about their relationship problems. He could share what he knew with them and suddenly he became an expert on relationships on the campus of his training academy. एक बार he helped a student जो कुछ एक relationship issue में थी. And a week later, she asked him to come speak to her entire group of friends who were staying with her at a hostel on the topic. They are now a great self-help group together. These experiences taught us about another type of expert, the research expert. क्या आपको पता है that you don't need to have ever done something to be considered an expert in it? आपको result expert बनने की जरूरत नहीं. This seems an outlandish claim, but have you ever seen an academician on television being interviewed about business? They aren't even in business and they may never have practiced business principles, but because they studied business closely enough and knew about best practices in business, they were considered experts. Just as Amit became an expert on relationships by doing research at his end and gaining knowledge, similarly you can be seen as an expert on any given topic without necessarily having achieved any results in that area. क्योंकि कई लोगों को ये लॉजिकल और ऑफेंसिव लग सकता है. इसीलिए we have created a rock solid set of questions that changes people perspectives very quickly. Here they are. If you were about to invest in real estate, would you take advice from someone who never owned a home or commercial property? Most people will reply absolutely not. But then we ask, But what if that person who had never owned a property had interviewed in detail the top 30 billionaire real estate investors in the world and distilled all their lessons into a 7-step system? Would you listen then? Of course, nazariya badlega. If someone has researched a given topic and broken it down for us, we will listen and we will pay for their guidance. People always think that our founder and chairman Amit got ahead because of his results. He got more ahead because of his story of how he started all this, and he maintained it, and he motivated himself, and he remained determined and never gave up even when it was hard. That's what they are going to relate with you. But you have to share your credibility. Credibility in expert space to basically hinges on 2 strong pillars. पहला कि आप रिजल्ट एक्सपर्ट हैं, आपने कुछ अचीव किया है जो अब आप शेयर कर रहे हैं, और दूसरा कि आप रिसर्च एक्सपर्ट हैं, आपने रिसर्च की ऑन व्हाट एवरीबॉडी एल्स इज डूइंग, यू नो व्हाट द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस आर, यू नो व्हाट द इंडस्ट्री इज एंड यू शेयर द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. And now, get ready for the best part. Once you become a research expert, and then by applying and sharing the information and knowledge with enough number of people and clients, you shall soon gain the results you were after, and in the process also become a result expert. इससे आपके पास बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स और स्टोरी मिलेंगी जैसे कि हमें मिली after 14 years of hard work of training and inspiring teenagers and youth to become a highly paid expert and achieve name, fame and money. Credibility is a big piece in marketing. अभी 8 components का सिलसिला जारी है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे द आर्ट ऑफ पिचिंग पार्ट 2 की, जिसमें डिस्कस होंगे बाकी के 4 इंपॉर्टेंट components. Till then, let's continue working together so that we can help you achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. Stay tuned with Indian Design League.